NMAS is the National Mutual Aid System built by Juvare for the International Association of Fire Chiefs in concert with Esri's ArcGIS platform. The tool is broken down with tabs across the top utilizing the WebEOC engine. So we have organizations for all organizations across the country. Sorts and filters are prevalent on most of these tabs so that you can make sense and drill through a lot of data at one time. We also have the inventory defaulted and sorted by your organization. And you can also hit the drop down and see other organizations as well and drill down into resources that are available or selected or things that are en route or possibly by tier. And so I can see all of the fire and hazardous materials, for example, and maybe pumper trucks if I wanted to take a look at those. I can filter and sort by this. I also have capability of collapsing the filter so I can see more on the screen. You can also see those by map, and we have great importing tools as well to import your Excel spreadsheet should you have one. Incidents, this is how we get assets moving around, resources moving from one location to another for mutual aid. And so once your organization and your inventories are all taken care of, next would be to create an incident. And these we see a number of incidents that have been utilized in our test scenario here. Once those incidents are created, you can create a request and request assets or resources for those individual incidents. Once that's done, you'll see the requests that you've put out into the world. In this system right here, we can filter those by the incident specifically or by a category or name, as well as we see a request status of completed projects, completed incidents. Request status such as pending 0 of 2 would allow me to see, for example, the 2 organizations, and so far I'm waiting for a response. Additionally, we have the assignments, so as things are assigned to me, I can see those. I can see those by incident as well. The system also has a great chat capability to show you the online users in the system, as well as chat rooms that have been created. The NMAS dashboard provides the ArcGIS online experience with the NMAS data to give you all of the resources, the incident summaries, where things are, what's occurring and where, for example. You also have access to the NAPSIG Mutual Aid Planning Tool in line with NMAS, access to the RTLT library for resource typing, and we also provide a hub for the data for an open data site for you to consume the data if you needed it, for example, in your own ArcGIS environment. And that's a quick overview of what NMAS does.